Addie and I are in Grand Teton National Park, and we are going for a bike ride. I'm not sure how far we'll get. How far are we going to get?
So far.
So far. Jenny Lake, if we're really, really lucky.
Yep. Out to the lake, which is 5 miles, and we don't have any water, so we are considering drinking from the lake. Our bottles have been filled with this fresh lake water. We're gonna give it a slurp.
Do we count to 3? Cheers!
Yeah,
hatch.
Count
1, 2, 3. Very cold.
It tastes
very refreshing.
fine.
Tastes fine.
There's a bit of a storm coming in. Hopefully we don't get caught in it, especially over there. It's dark clouds in the mountains.
We're done.
Yay!
It got cold while we were out there.
Yeah, it did.
How did you like your day?
It was really fun.
Would you change anything?
No.
Would you bring more snacks?
I would have brought clean water.
Yes, let's bring the clean water next time.
How was your day?
It was awesome. I loved it.
Would you have changed anything?
Brought clean water.
Good idea. Your strong biking muscles. We went to Wendy's and we just barely missed the rain. Okie dokie, I ran in for some play practice.
How often can a family receive food here?
Not the radio. So I went in for play practice, did that for about an hour, and now my day is done. It's not raining or snowing anymore, and I had a really fun day today.